Magic colors everywhere. Ruby and Bunny, come along. Let's learn our colors with a song. Blue and green and orange too. So many colors for me and you. Open your eyes, what do you see? A world of color for you and me. Ruby points to a book on the shelf. Look at this book, she says to herself. It's blue like the ocean, blue like the sky, like a little blue bird flying way up high. Blue is the color of the deep white sea. It's as pretty as a color can be. This green plant is looking so fine. It's green like the grass where the bunnies play. Green like the forest on a sunny day. Bunny takes a nibble, what a silly sight. Green is the color of a nature delight. Blue and green and orange too. So many colors for me and you. Open your eyes, what do you see? A world of color for you and me. Now listen close, what is bright and bold? Warmer than the sun or so we're told. It's a color we love, can you guess the name? It glows like a happy little candle flame. It's orange! Let's give a shout! That's what the magic is all about. Ruby takes an orange, sweet and round. Bunny finds a carrot in the ground. Mmm, so juicy. Mmm, so sweet. Orange is a crunchy, yummy treat. Red like an apple, yellow like the sun. Purple like a grape, having so much fun. Look at the chalkboard, see them glow like a beautiful, magical, bright rainbow. Colors here, colors there, magic colors everywhere. Ruby and Bunny had a great day. Now it's time to hop away. See you next time, friends. Goodbye.